All right, this is part 2. So now that you have your wedge bot with your wall that's 5 millimeters thick, right? An easy way to measure if you have the right thickness is you hit I on your keyboard, which is for information, or inspect, I should say. All right, so if I hit measure, usually that's I. Let me try that again. All right, yep, I just hit I. Now it's saying, what do I want to measure? I want to measure the distance from this line, the distance to this line, and you'll see that it says 5 millimeters. And also it says 5 millimeters here. All right, so I got the right thickness. So now what I want to do is create a sketch, and it's asking, hey, what plane do I want to draw it on? Like, do I want to do this, like before? No, now I want to draw on the actual bot. I want to draw on the inside face. So I'm going to click on the top view of my view cube. Click on this square. Now this is the front of my bot. That's the slanted wedge. And I'm going to draw a sketch from this bottom corner to make my wheel mount holes. All right, so I'm going to do line. And I'm going to start here in the bottom corner. See how it kind of locked in with the square? Boom, now it's locked. I'm going to do, I don't know, 25 millimeters, 25. But I want to do it on this line right here and go straight this way. Then I want to do another line out this way. So I'm going to click here again. I'll make this 32. Yeah, make this 32. Okay. Now I have that sketch there. All right. I have one hole that's 25 millimeters from the edge and 32 millimeters from the back. All right. Now I want to make another hole for motor mounts. And that distance is, pay attention, 26.941. All right. So I'm going to hit line again, or L. That's line, or I'm going to hit L. Same thing. I'm going to click on this first hole. I'm going to move this straight up 26.941. All right, and I just hit enter. So now I got a dot here and a dot here. All right, and I'm going to hit finish sketch. Okay, so right now I have a hole here and a hole here. These are the only two holes I care about right now. So let's make a hole. The easiest way to do it is to click on this hole button up here, and you are going to click on one dot there, but you see how giant the hole is? That's because it's too big. Look where my mouse is. Okay? We gotta see this. This is the width of the hole. They have it at 40 millimeters. That's way too big. We're gonna make this, I don't know, we could do it like 4 millimeters. Okay, wide. And you see how this is at a point? We're gonna make this so it's not a point hole. We're gonna make it flat. Drill point, flat. So now it's flat. Now it's asking, hey, how thick do I want to, how long, how deep do I want to make this hole? All right, you see how it goes way below the bot? That's too much. So I'm going to click on distance. I'm going to click on 2. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom and saying, hey, where do you want this hole to end? And I want it to end. I want the hole to go through to the bottom of the bot. So if I click there, now if you zoom in, the hole goes to the bottom of the bot. Now, all right, I am going to hit OK. All right, but oh man, I forgot to make the second hole. See these sketches right here? See this eyeball that says sketches? I want to open this, and I want to open my most recent sketch. You see how the line pops up over here? Watch. See the eyeball? That means you could see it. All right, I'm going to hit hole again. All right, and I'm going to find this hole. Remember I made this hole over here? I'm going to click on that, and it's really the same thing. It's 5 millimeters deep. It's 4 millimeters wide. All right, and I'm just going to hit OK. All right, now you made holes. Awesome. Now let's mirror that. All right, So what the heck is a mirror? That means you don't have to do the same thing twice on the other side. It'll do it automatically. So watch this. We're going to click on this thing that says mirror. It's like this triangle. It says, do I want to mirror the object, the body? Do I want to mirror this? No. Do I want to make a copy of the whole body? No. I want to make a copy of a feature of something I did. So it says select the features. So down here is my timeline, everything that I've done so far. I want to mirror this hole and this hole. And then I have to choose a plane. So I'm going to click on mirror. On what plane do I want to mirror the holes? If I click here, the holes will be over here. I want to click right on this side. And now my holes are going to be over there. And I hit OK. And now I have 2 holes. All right, so that's the mirroring function. That's the reason why we created the bot in the center of this graph paper, because it's going to do it on the opposite side of this blue line. Okay. All right. Awesome job. And we are done with part 2.